Have you ever pulled an all-nighter and felt like your brain just stopped working the next day? Well, that's not your imagination. When you don't sleep enough, the brain immediately starts to show signs of stress and imbalance. Sleep is essential for maintaining focus, attention, and alertness. And when deprived of it, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and concentration, works less effectively. This is why even a single night of poor sleep can make you feel foggy, forgetful, and easily distracted. Reaction times slow down, which can be as dangerous as driving under the influence of alcohol. Another major consequence of sleep deprivation is its effect on memory. During deep stages of sleep, the brain consolidates and organizes information gathered throughout the day. Without proper sleep, this process is disrupted, making it harder to retain new information or recall what you've already learned. This is especially harmful for students and professionals who rely on sharp memory and learning capacity. Over time, poor sleep leads to noticeable gaps in knowledge and problem-solving ability. Emotional balance also suffers when the brain does not get enough rest. The amygdala, which controls emotional responses, becomes overactive, while the connection between it and the rational part of the brain weakens. This explains why people who are sleep-deprived tend to be more irritable, anxious, or even depressed. Sleep helps regulate mood and stress, so without it, the brain struggles to keep emotions under control. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. On a deeper level, sleep is when the brain's cleaning system, called the glymphatic system, works to remove toxins and waste products. Without adequate rest, harmful proteins such as beta amyloid can build up, which are linked to neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Chronic lack of sleep also reduces the brain's ability to form new connections, meaning it becomes harder to learn new skills and adapt to challenges. In the long run, not getting enough sleep can cause permanent harm to brain health. The risk of memory disorders, poor cognitive function, and emotional instability increases significantly. Sleep is not simply rest, it is active brain maintenance. When you neglect it, you are essentially running your brain without repairs, leading to both immediate difficulties and long-term damage that can affect your quality of life. So the next time you think about skipping sleep, remember this: you're not just losing rest, you're damaging your brain's ability to think, learn, feel, and even protect itself. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Your brain depends on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and motivation content. Until next time, take care of yourself and get some good sleep tonight.